Welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial, guys. In this tutorial we will be designing this connecting rod cap in SolidWorks. I have uploaded a number of videos on engine design. I will provide the link of those videos in description. Let's begin with this video. Click on part and click OK as we are working in the part file. From here change the background to plain white, and here make sure that you are working in mmgs, which are millimeters. And after that select this front plane and click on sketch, which is very first option. Select circle and make a circle at this origin, and after that make another circle at this origin like this. And then select smart dimensioning tool to specify the diameters for these circles, and here specify the diameter for the bigger circle as 72, and then specify the diameter for the smaller circle as 54. And after that select here midpoint line and create a midpoint line at this origin like this, and here connect at this yellow dot, which are quadrants of the circle. So this is basically the benefit of making the midpoint line, that it works in both direction. Now select trim entities, and here make sure that you have selected this power trim option and trim this lower area, and also trim this line as well. And now as you can see, this sketch has been turned into gray one. Now go to features and select here extruded boss base, and after that here we need to specify the length of extrusion, which is 38 millimeters. As you can see, this dark color is basically our sketch and yellow color is the material, and material is one direction. I want this material on both directions like this. This is beneficial when we getting some features to be mirrored. It is helpful when material is on both directions. Here specify any appearance you like. This is an optional step. It is for better visualization. Now we need to create a plane. In reference geometry select this plane. Now select this bottom surface, and here we need to specify the offset distance from here, which is 60 millimeter. So specify 60. As I want this plane to be upside, so I will select this flip option, and as you can see this plane has been moved upward. Check this box. You can expand it, but this is an optional step. Now select this plane and click on sketch, and from here select a center point straight slot and make a slot at this origin. Make sure that you make the slot at the very origin. And now let's specify the dimensions. The length of this slot is 76 millimeter. The radius is 9 millimeters. Specify the radius. Now create two circles. So select your circle and make a circle at this point and at this point. These two circles must be of equal diameters. So I am specifying the diameter of only one circle, which is 9 millimeter, and I will create equal relation. Hold Control key, select these two circles and make relation equal. This is equal relation, which means both of these circles have diameter of 9 millimeters. And now go to features, and here select extruded boss base, and as we have to extrude it up to the bottom surface, either we can increase the material from here, or the better option is we can expand this bar and here select up to surface and simply assign this bottom surface, and the material will get extruded here. We do not have to calculate the numbers how much we have to extrude. Simply select the bottom surface. So that is basically the use of the bottom surface. Now hide this plane, as we have nothing to do with this plane anymore. Now we have to create a sketch here. So select this surface and create sketch. There are two options to create sketch here. First is manually create all of this geometry like this. I am creating 3-point arc and the line. I will explain you both of the options. This is a little bit complex and difficult option that I am doing right now. Selected extruded cut because we want to cut it, and here specify through all and check this box from here. The sketch was underdefined, which can create problem, so I'm deleting it. This was basically the first method, which is difficult method. And now let me explain you the other method. Select this surface and click on sketch again, and when you select this surface, you only have to select this convert entities option, and as you can see the sketch is fully defined as well, which is beneficial for us. Go to features and here select extruded cut, and here's only specify through all and check the box. So this is the second method to make that cut, which is more beneficial and more easy way. Select your front plane and click on sketch and make here a inclined line like this from this point to this point, and as I want to mirror the same thing on the other side, so I am making this a reference line. Select this line and make it into construction geometry to turn into a center line. Now select smart dimensioning tool from this point to this point. Here specify the height, which is 20 millimeter, and from this point to the corner, here specify the distance as 25 millimeters. And now to complete the sketch, I'm going to make two lines. So select this line from this point to this corner and from this corner to this point. Complete the sketch. Since I want the same sketch on the other side, so I will use the mirror entities. So from here select mirror entities because I want to mirror the same thing on the other side. In this entities to mirror window, select all of these three lines and mirror about. In this mirror about window, I will select this reference line that I have created and check the box. As you can see, the whole sketch has been mirrored to the other side. Now I want to cut it, so select extruded cut, and here I am intentionally going to make a mistake. If I select here through all and check the box, it will not cut it completely on the other side. So if I want to cut it completely, I have to here specify through all both. When I select here through all both, as you can see, now it will cut on both directions. So that is basically the use of through all both. It will cut in both directions, and as you can see now this is correct way of cutting. Now I have to assign some fillets here, so select fillet and select this edge and this edge, and here we need to specify the radius, which is 10 millimeter, and check the box. And then select the fillet again and select this corner and the other corner, this one, and here specify the radius of the fillet, which is 3 millimeter. So I'm specifying as 3 millimeter as radius of this fillet, and as you can see this fillet has been applied as well. So that's how we create the cap for this connecting rod in SOLIDWORKS. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.